also another good morning. I'm going to hear that a lot today. So I'm not going to tell you what we're doing. I'm just going to throw you guys out in there and see if you can figure it out. So I'm going to give you this little excerpt, and I want you to just read it and see there's mistakes in it. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that. Just go ahead and write. I can cross out that, but just like make little marks up there and try to fix whatever you can.
Is it grammar mistakes?
Yes. Or, yeah. Just do your best, it doesn't really matter. It's terrible. When you're done, you just put your pencil on the desk. Okay. Can anyone tell me what they think they just did?
I got
Proofread a excerpt.
Perfect. Proofread was the word I was going for. That's what we're going to be learning today. So this was just kind of to see what you guys would do with it. Did you guys rewrite stuff out? Did you put little symbols, or what did you guys do? Circle things, both? Okay.
I rewrote stuff.
Okay. How many of you guys have written papers in your lifetime? Okay, perfect. How many times have you gone over and edited them before you submitted them? Did you guys use any like symbols or key ways to do it, or have you ever taken it to the writing center here at Merrill College? Okay, well I've been there a couple times because this is not my area, and they've kind of done this where they circle things and they put in little marks. So this is really good for, especially for us, and when we have to do thesis coming up pretty soon. Understanding that proofreading is very important, and there's actual symbols that can help you. So if a teacher or a peer is to proofread a paper and just make the marks, they don't have to write out every little detail. They can just summarize it by putting little symbols in it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to learn 10 of the basic symbols. You're going to learn how to draw them, and you're going to learn how to, or what the meaning of them is. So if you want to flip those pages over, back to your little chart that you're going to be filling out. So the way we're going to do this is you're going to have, typically you'd be in expert groups with more than just individually people, but since we lack of numbers, each person will be their own expert group. So each expert will have luck of the draw. One person will have, or two will have 3 symbols. 2 people will have 2 symbols that they'll need to copy the draw or the symbol down on the way the chart goes. Make a brief meaning or description of it, and then create your own example of how you use it in like an excerpt like that. Doesn't have to be anything crazy, but you'll have 2 minutes to do that on your own be in charge of your specific symbols, and you're going to become masters at that. And then when we finish that, after the 2 minutes is up, if you guys need more time, that's fine. We're going to come together as a group, and each one will have a specific symbol that they're going to present to the group, and you're going to fill out the chart as we go along. So I'm going to go ahead and pass out 2 little things. Look for the draw. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry for you too.
So we're writing these in our spaces, right?
Yes, and I put numbers on the side, so if you just want to go in number order, I guess, so like
Oh,
yours is
cool.
1, 2, 3, so you do that, and then we got 4, 5. So, yeah. So you guys will have 2 minutes to do that. And typically you'd be working with someone, working through the process, and really discussing it, but since it's lots of numbers. Everyone's kind of getting the hang of it, or everything's going. Any questions, just let me know, class. I've got like about 30 seconds. Any more time, that's fine, so let me know. You guys hear them? Some more little examples? Sweet. Did you get a hint on the test? All you have to know is that word, like the first, that one won't help, but like the first words.
Curse, the goal.
Mm-hmm. Okay, everyone good? Okay, so that was you guys becoming experts in a specific task or material. So now, I guess if these two want to come around and sit in front of them, now you guys are each gonna have, I'll give you about, I guess, 2 minutes again to each discuss and explain to the other classmates, what your symbols mean, or what the symbols are, so show them how to draw it, what the symbols mean, and your brief example. So, you guys can begin. You can just go in order, so Alex, you go first, since you had number 1, 2,
Okay.
3.
So, I don't know if you can see this, but this little, upward arrow thing means insert. So like, if you need to insert punctuation or a word or even a paragraph or whatever. So it's gonna look like this. Like, I need milk bin needs a comma, so you put a little comma, a little arrow. That was insert. This little circle with the arrow means you move the circled word or letters somewhere else. So go to tomorrow school. Tomorrow needs to be at the end, so you circle it and then put it, a little arrow, see it? At the end. Yeah, it's just moving it.
What's it called?
It's not called anything, it's just move the word or letters to the point we did.
I didn't have a
It's
time.
called that, yeah. Move this thing somewhere else. And then this little pound sign is add space. So if you need a space in a word that doesn't have a space, you like draw a vertical line and the pound sign means to put a space there.
two words together, like in the example, cannot, combine into cannot. Is everybody ready for the next one? The next one is a C with 2 lines to it. C with 2 lines. And that one's called new paragraph. So an example would be start a new paragraph. Okay. Okay, the next one is no with a C with 2 lines in the middle. That one means no new paragraph. So you could use this one to indicate that you don't need another paragraph or to continue the same paragraph. So that's important.
So like if it's indented, you put that to say don't end up this new paragraph, right?
Or to start a new paragraph.
Right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. If there's an indentation.
I see what you're saying.
So this one right here is like the same as what Alex's first one was. No, yes. It's, well, actually, my 2 are kind of what your one is. So this one is spell out. So like if you have the word because and someone writes B/C, you would circle it and they would spell it out. And this is called transpose. It's like a sideways S. And it would be if the words are out of order. So the tree on was fire, and you would write a little S. The tree was on fire to switch the words.
So there you go. Okay. So my first one is just the lowercase letter L dot C dot. And so that's lowercase.
It's all lowercase.
Yeah, so essentially what that means is if you're capitalizing a word that doesn't need to be, then you cross out the letter, write L dot C above it, and that means it's lowercase. So
Leave case letter. Lowercase letter.
Yeah, sorry, I'm terrible. That's all right. Lowercase letter. And then the second one I had was just 3 horizontal lines, and that is capital letter. So it's the exact opposite. If you have a lowercase letter that needs to be capitalized, you just underline it 3 times, and that means capitalized.
Okay, good job. You guys all did what you were supposed to do, and it worked out really well. Do you feel like you guys know more about proofreading symbols than you did before?
For sure.
Okay, well, that's good. So I'm just gonna discuss this. There's different ways you can do it, but do you guys think everyone worked well together? And everyone pulled their share of weight in order for this process to work? I mean, from observing, I think everyone did really good. All we had to do is
We did it.
write some stuff down. Perfect. So now I'm gonna pass out the test quiz assessment thing. Oh yeah, you just flip those over, and then do your best of your ability.
Oh no.
And, I know,
We
I
have
think
to
I might
find
short, yeah, I'm gonna allow you guys to do 6. You can pick 6. I think that's better. in the class, I would probably take up, your charts to make sure everyone completed them correctly and they were expert, taught the right way. And then give back the next class, but I keep them because I need them, so y'all don't get back.